Second case, it's vulvovaginal candidiasis. Candida, have you read in microbiology? Candida albicans? Yes, it's that. In previous we have read vaginal bacterial vaginosis. It's bacterial, it can be broad, so we use in management metronidazole. Then we will come to vulvovaginal candidiasis. Here the same female type will come to the OPD with the complaint of vaginal discharge. When you ask which type of, what does it look like, then she will tell you that it's white, it's curd like, or she will say that it's cotton cheese like, cottage. Does it cause itching? Must ask about itching factor. Whenever there is intense pruritus, intense itching, then it confirms that it's candidiasis. Candidiasis spores causes too much itching. Then due to itching, flora will be, epithelium will be crushed, or inner layer be on the surface, so there will be burning sensation whenever urine or acidic things pass through it. And there is salt also present in the urine. That's why it's called dysuria. And whenever the intense pruritus and the epithelium is damaged, so during intercourse that causes pain. So when you ask kab hua, when it happened, then he said it suddenly, or not too many days, similar to as vaginal bacterial vaginosis. She will complain that it has happened in the past. Most of the candida has very irritant in nature, it causes. And don't you know that it's fungal infection, and fungal only attacks when there is immunosuppression, either due to any side comorbidities, or whenever the immunity of the body is weak. So that's why. Later I will tell you why OCP causes this. Currently I don't know, I will read and tell you. Tight fitting clothing causes sweat and favorable condition, moisture, that's favorable for candida. Menstrual history will be normal, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Pregnancy increases risk because its immunosuppression बढ़ जाता है. It increases the property of immunosuppression. And there must be a past history of candidiasis, most probably. And I have tell you about the risk factor, immunosuppression. There is no significance of family history. On general examination, must check is she anemic or not. And on abdominal examination, as normally soft and non-tender it will be. Speculum examination using Cusco's bivalve speculum, you will examine and notice that there is white curd like discharge, and due to pruritus, intense itching, it has become erythematous. And cervix is normal, vulva is same, erythematous, macerated. How do you come to the conclusion that it's vulvovaginal candidiasis? Whenever you found that it's curd like itching, that strongly suggests, plus pH will be less than 4.5. You will do 4 type of test again. You will send for microscopy, KOH test, whiff test, and send it for culture because it's gold standard in BV. For management, you will give antifungal. So you can give clotrimazole, fluconazole. Mostly we give fluconazole. And when lady is pregnant, we give her gel rather than the tablet clotrimazole for 7 days in both. This we have read that it's 4 milligram for 7 days BD. But if you give one time 150 milligram, then you have to, if recurrent, then you have to give it for 6 months, because all the fungal infections need long term treatment. That's or retouching, avoid it. Tight clothing can cause increase in moisture and increase in temperature, both favorable for fungal. So maintain hygiene and thus